Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm here with my first Christmas project, and yes, I know it seems a little early, but I have a friend who's from the Philippines who always tells me that for them Christmas starts in September. So in today's video we're going to learn how to make this really simple Christmas tree. It's done in just 2 rows and it's a wave stitch. So let's get started. So for my Christmas tree I'm going to be using Scapy's Stone Washed XL. And if you see, the recommended hook size is 5 millimeters. But I'm going to be using a 4 millimeter or a G hook for this project. I also have this thermocol or styrofoam cone which I picked up at the arts and crafts store. I have a yarn needle, a pair of scissors, and then some little decorations. So I have these push pins, office pins, and then some bells. So now in order to get started, make a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn. With the tail end, make another loop inside of the first one. Pick it up and pull. Insert your hook and tighten. Now we're going to make 89 chains. Basically you're doing a multiple of 4 plus 1. So to make a chain, yarn over, pull through and continue until you have 89 chains. So now once you're done with your chain of 89, you're going to skip the first stitch. So skip this stitch, go into the second one and place a single crochet. Insert your hook, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Into the next one, you place another single crochet. Into the one after that, another single crochet, and keep placing one single crochet until you reach the end of this row. So now, oops, we have an interruption. Sorry about that. So now we can start working on the second row. So once you've finished your last single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. Now in the first 3 stitches, you're going to place 1 double crochet each. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1, 2, and 3. So your first chain 3 counts as the first double crochet, and then you've done 3 more, so 4 in total. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now turn your work, and if you see, there are some stitches on top over here. So we're going to go to 1, 2, 3, the third stitch right here. Insert your hook and place a slip stitch. Chain 1, turn your work to the normal side again, and now in this chain 4 space right here, you're going to place 7 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now in the next 4 stitches, so down here 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to place 1 double crochet each. So yarn over, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work, and now this is the repeat that you're going to be following for all the stitches. You're going to place a slip stitch in this post right here. So you'll insert your hook into this space, go in through the post around and place a slip stitch, chain 1, turn your work back to the normal side, and into this chain 4 space you're going to place 7 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you see, our first wave is formed. Now again in the next 4 stitches we're going to place 1 double crochet each. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're done with your 4 double crochets, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work and we're going to go into the space right here. Insert your hook through this space, go above your shell and just place a slip stitch. Chain 1, turn back to your normal side again, and then into this chain 4 space again 7 double crochets. And this is the pattern you're going to continue following. So if you see, you just flatten this out, you can see the little waves getting formed. So now what we're going to do in the next 4 stitches, 1 double crochet each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4, turn your work and into this space right here behind this post you're going to place a slip stitch. After placing the slip stitch, chain 1, turn your work around again, and then into that chain 4 space you're going to place 7 double crochets. So now you're going to continue this pattern all the way until the end, but leave the last 8 stitches without any waves on them. So now I've completed all my waves and they look like this. I've just finished my last wave and I have the last 8 stitches blank. Now what you can do is just place a double crochet in the next 4 stitches and then you can secure your yarn off. So snip it off and then you can tie the tails in. So now once you're done securing your end, you can take your cone and start attaching the waves around. So we're gonna start from here and you can just take your little decoration pins and push them through so you have the tree in place. So once you're done, your tree should look something like this. You can keep adding a few push pins around. They act both as a way to secure the yarn down as well as pretty little decorations. So now for the little star that goes on top, I had one of these old glow-in-the-dark stars. I added some glue and some glitter on top and then just secured on a piece of a cut up barbecue stick with some glue as well as a piece of sellotape. And now I'm just going to put it right on top. So now this is how my tree looks. I'm going to add some more decorations around and then I'll show you how it looks finally. So here's my Christmas tree complete. You can add any number of decorations you want and put it around your house. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with all your friends and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below and let me know which festive project you want me to try next. Until next time, bye bye.